everybody, welcome back. Thank you so much for stopping by. I appreciate it. Sorry it's been a few days, but I'm here to recap you on the last 3 days, which includes the shutdown and the other 2 days after that. So I started out by waking up at 2:30, leaving the house about 2:49, leaving the neighborhood right here. So me and Steven met up at the hospital about 3:30 in the morning. And we took some pictures before we started the shutdown to make sure we didn't accidentally turn off any circuits. And so when we turned everything back on, everything was back on in the way that it started out with. This is afterwards. We didn't really get any footage or pictures in between there, but this is all of the splices that we did throughout the shutdown, which is about 154-ish splices. Basically, it's every circuit times 4, so there's 42 circuits in the panel. That's 84 times 2. It's 164, 168, and then there was some existing circuits already in there, so basically minus 10 or 20, so like 154 splices in there. So went ahead and folded those up. Once we got everything done, there was some troubleshooting we had to figure out, but we went ahead and got that taken care of, slapped the cover back on there, and now everything in these 2 panels right here are refed with number 10 wires, THHN, because they're mostly number 12s. There's a few like number 6s or 8s in there for some bigger, heavier gauge circuits. But anyways, got all that stuff done. And then from there, I went ahead and worked on making up some junction boxes from other panels for the hallway lighting. So I did a bunch of those, and then from there today I went ahead and worked on splicing through the other 2 junction boxes from the life safety panel, from the boxes that I hung a while ago. You'll remember them as soon as you see them. This guy right here, which I updated, I don't remember all these sizes. This might be a 18 by 18 or something like that, but went ahead and made up this guy. So went ahead and made up circuit 40 and 42. Those are the only 2 that splice through here. I was going to do everything as long as the grounds, but some of the wires were just too short, so basically they just all had to reach to the bottom of the box right here. So that's basically what they ended up being. And then there's a bunch of extra spare circuits in there, which you'll see here. Actually, I've already missed that, but I labeled it on the front, all the spare circuits. Then I made up this 8x8 junction box with the spare circuits and the circuits that had to be tied through. So there is a bunch of spares, as you can see there, 24, 26, 28, 30, 34. All the rest of them were spliced through, and there's a pull string in there. And then also today I went ahead and went up and changed out another operating room smoke detector. So I had to bunny suit up for that. And I think there was one more thing at the end of the day. This picture is just super long. And from there, there was obviously a bunch of other things that I've probably forgotten in the last 3 days, but I also worked on these receptacles right here, the blanket warmer circuit 14, and there was another critical circuit next to it. So I went ahead and locked those off, made those up, and then took my locks off to be safe, as always. And then also worked on another junction box up in the ceiling for some roll-up doors in that same area. But anyways, that's it. Hopefully that catches you guys up. Hopefully you enjoyed. Thanks for watching. I appreciate it. I'll see you guys back in the next one. God bless. Have an awesome rest of your day. Have an awesome weekend. Stay safe. See you in the next one. God bless. Peace.